Have you ever heard of the butterfly effect? It's the idea that a butterfly flapping its wings in one part of the world can set off a chain reaction, eventually influencing something as powerful as a hurricane thousands of miles away. It sounds poetic, almost unbelievable, but the same concept applies to our lives. Discipline is like that butterfly. It begins with a single, seemingly insignificant choice. You wake up 5 minutes earlier. You decide to take the stairs instead of the elevator. You choose to read one page of a book instead of scrolling your phone. These choices feel small, almost trivial, but they're not. Each one creates a ripple that shapes your future. In fact, James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, explains the power of small actions. Improving just 1% every day doesn't feel like much in the moment, but by the end of the year, you're 37 times better than when you started. But here's the catch. Small choices work both ways. Skipping one workout or procrastinating for a day might feel harmless, but over time, these small negative choices build habits of inaction and regret. The ripple effect is always at play, whether for growth or decline. Let me share a quick story. William James, one of the greatest psychologists of all time, once believed he had no purpose. At his lowest point, he decided to try something radical. For 1 year, he would act as though his choices mattered. That one decision, to take small, consistent steps, led to breakthroughs that changed his life and influenced the entire field of psychology. And if a single decision could transform William James's life, imagine what small, disciplined actions could do for you. The butterfly effect of discipline isn't just a concept. It's a truth that can redefine your life. Today, make the small choice. Take the first step. Trust that every ripple matters, no matter how small. Because when you look back on your life, you'll see that the biggest changes started with the tiniest actions.